Hey guys, sometimes you just get these annoying red wavy underlines all over your code. And yes, they can be useful for tracing errors and warnings, but sometimes for whatever reason you want to disable those red underlines. To properly disable them in CSS code, go to File, Preferences, Settings. In the upper right corner, click on the settings.json button. Now in this settings.json file, add a new line, css.lint.emptyRules, and assign the value of ignore in double quotes. Now going back to our source code, you will see that the yellow wavy underline is gone from our CSS code. Now there isn't anything like that for JavaScript, so as you can see there's no property. So I'm going to show you how to disable all warnings and errors anyway by assigning a transparent color to those wavy underlines. Now go to workbench.color_customizations part of your settings.json file. If your settings.json file is empty, simply add workbench.color_customizations into it yourself. It's totally fine to do that. So start a new line and start typing editor error.foreground. Now what you want to do here is assign a transparent color, and the best way of doing that is to create a color consisting of 8 zeros. It can be any color, but as long as you have the last two digits as 00, it's going to make that color transparent on the alpha channel. Now there are 3 different ways of wavy lines VSCode will use to indicate errors and warnings. So another one is editor warning.foreground. Again, also change it to a transparent color. And the next one is the editor info.foreground. I'm going to change that one to transparent color as well. With all 3 warnings and errors set to transparent, I'm going to go back to my HTML file. As you can see, all of them have been disabled.